Hello, if you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you will need to use the USB cable, and that comes with the device. You can find yours inside the box. I have mine over here. This is a little bit different than the one that you have in the box, but it does the job as well. And if you don't have a charger or power adapter, then you can connect your smartphone to your PC in order to charge it. Now, of course, the charging speed is very slow by doing so, so you need to keep that in mind. Of course, the USB cable is connected at the bottom. We have the USB port over there. And like I said, if you wish to use your laptop or PC or whatever you have in order to charge your smartphone, you can, but it will be slow. The preferred way is, of course, the power adapter. That allows you to charge way quicker. Now, unfortunately, the power adapter or charger is not included inside the box, so you need to purchase one by yourself. The recommended one is, of course, the original made by Samsung, as they are optimized for these devices. So if you plug it in and connect to the charger, you will start charging. Simple as that. Now, you may be wondering if it is possible to use a wireless charger. So let's check that. I have my example charger, wireless charger over here. So let's place it down. And let's see if something happens if I put the device down on the charger. Unfortunately, nothing happens. Let's move this around in order to check if perhaps I'm placing it incorrectly. But as you can see, it is not possible to charge wirelessly, so you definitely need to use the USB cable in order to charge your smartphone, your Galaxy A25 5G. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!